Guys, it's Lisa, and today we're going to be doing another video. So, I got a haircut today. It was free, back to school. So we went to Walmart and I got something. So, I'm going to show you it right now. I kind of opened it. It's a Beyblade Evolution, and his name is Hyris H2. So, I already opened the grip. So, let's just open the other stuff. Oh. Okay, we're not gonna open this, but just yet because I need scissors. I haven't found scissors. Okay, well, I need scissors. I can't. Well, just here it is. I'm gonna try to open it. Yeah. I can't open it, and I didn't bring scissors. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go look for scissors. Just wait. I can't find no scissors. So, like, I might just cut this off because, like, I don't have a lot of teeth. This is hard. I thought it wouldn't be that bad. Look. So sorry. Okay, well, we got this thing out. I mean, these are the only things we really got out. I'm going to try doing another one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's easy. Okay. So then, cut. And stop. Okay, you might not be able to get that out. For now. Okay, well, I'm just missing this and this, so that's the end of my video, guys. Bye, guys. Peace.